and welcome back to another unboxing. I'm your White Mage, and today we have a box of Opus 1. Alright, so let's get right to it. Got a Knight and a Shantoto. Starting off strong in this box. Foil Shiva and a Heroic Yuna. Ooh, foil Starter Cloud and a Sephiroth. This box is starting out very strong. Foil Devout. And Cecil. I always had a soft spot for this Devout. Always wanted to see some play. Foil Gordon. And a Heroic Lulu. Foil Vaughn and a Snow. Foil Leviathan and a Cloud of Darkness. Foil Starter Lightning and a Vaughn. Foil Vaughn and an Ishtola and a Squall. Foil Geomancer and a Saz. Foil Ramza and a Ricard. Foil Bard and a Heroic Band Riku. Foil Kate Sith and a Cosmos. Foil Lawn, Heroic Terra. Foil Starter Brother, Joseph. Aerith and a Layla. Foil Black Belt and a Kefka. Foil Red Mage and the Emperor. Foil Chaos and a Heroic Garland. Foil Rain and a Legend Squall. Very nice to see. Foil Duke Lark and a Vanille. Foil Shuyin and a Chaos. Foil Layla. Legend Lightning. Foil Maki. And a Bahamut Legend. Foil Squire. Legend Valfor. Foil Snow. Heroic non-promo Barts. Foil Sid Highwind. And an X-Death. Foil Gilgamesh. Heroic Kuja. Foil Vincent. Heroic Kimari. Foil Summoner. Heroic Furion. Foil Seraphi. Heroic Lon. Foil Monk. And a Leon. Foil Aerith. And a Guy. Foil Furion. And a Gordon. Foil Joseph. And an Orlando. Alright, last pack. Hopefully we can get something good. Foil Terra. And a Blitz Ace Titus. Alright. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.